let me tell y'all a quick little story. So, I was on my Instagram this morning looking through my stories, and I came across one of my dear friends from high school, J-Mo. He's at Mercer Millions. Came across his story this morning, and he was promoting something called the Karma Jar. And basically, you contribute to the Karma Jar any amount, just putting in good seed, good energy, and once he got to a certain amount, $10, he add to it, he send it back out to anybody that donated. So my intention this morning was just to increase the flow of energy, financial energy in my life, because as an entrepreneur, I sometimes struggle with setting a rate that is reflective of what I'm worth. So sometimes I sell myself short. Sometimes I underrate or charge less than, what it actually takes for me to survive and thrive, because I have a weird relationship with asking for money. So today I sent out the $3 just with the intention of increasing the energetic flow of money in my life. That was it. So I sent out the $3, and a couple hours later, I got this notification from Cash App that I got $15 back from Jamero. And when I tell y'all, that made my day. Just today, I was in a class talking about conscious entrepreneurship and how energy is currency, and it just lined right up with what I have been working on in my personal life. So $15 doesn't really seem like a significant amount of money, but to me it was just a really clear message that as I continue to invest in myself, as I continue to speak my truth and demand my worth and demand reciprocal energy exchange, whether it be in the form of currency or gratitude or appreciation of whatever sort, that Karma Jar challenge was just a confirmation for me that, that my needs will be met and surpassed. So if you're interested in doing the Karma Jar, follow at Mercer Millions. You could put in 50 cents, all it is just, as things flow out, it'll flow right back in.